Okay, here. Little one.
No, I can't see him. All I see is your hand.
Well, I'm trying, but he's not very smart. Come on this side of me. This side, because I can feed him only on this side. Here. Here, baby. You ready?
I can't see.
Well, he's looking the wrong direction as usual. He's not very smart. All right, you're done. And that's the baby one. That's the littlest one.
Yes, this is the little one. The
And
one that's barely learning how to
Here
flap his
comes
wings.
trouble.
This is the big one. Look how much she
Who's
can.
just a complete disaster. Who just
Look how much she flaps her wings.
and they never know which direction to go to eat.
Right now, this one's like pecking my
Okay,
hand.
here we go.
I can't see.
Here. Okay. Are you
You hold
Are you
still.
watching?
Yeah. No, I can't
open.
see.
Come on.
Hands in the way. Ooh. I can't see your hands in the way.
All right, you're full.
That one knows how to flap its wings.
Honey. Oh, we're very funny. We're very funny. And we're very little. And we're not very cute when we don't have all of our feathers.
Whoa.
Well, this one's a little overwhelming. This baby needs to eat a little more. But the other one has to come over here and bother us. All right. This one's gonna be.
They're starting to look like doves, actually.
Okay, let's put them back in their cage.
Okay.
Come over here.
This is our two doves,
Come over
or
here.
birds. Bye.
Come over here.